Healthy Forever presents How to Detox Your Body to Prevent Being Sick and Tired. Inactivity and poor diet and stress wreak havoc on our bodies. At least once a year, we need to stop, detox, and take a break. And tired now is the time to take action and eat more healthy food while detoxing your body. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips. The liver. Your liver needs a rest from alcohol, high fats, and sugars to recalibrate and feel really healthy again. To do this, eat more vegetables like tomatoes, greens plus lemon, cumin, and ginger all help to detoxify the liver. Some people who consume too much fat even get gallstones, requiring a surgical procedure to remove them. To avoid this condition, it is important not to gain too much weight, so avoid fatty foods and eat lots of foods high in fiber. Blood. Our blood transports oxygen around our body to supply nutrients to the cells. In the process, it collects waste for processing. Age and diet can affect the arteries, and plaque can build up, putting stress on your heart and circulation. If your heart and circulation clog up, it can lead to heart attack and stroke. Adopt a good Mediterranean diet and a daily exercise program to keep your heart and vessels in the best order possible. Kidneys. Our kidneys filter waste from the bloodstream and expel it via the bladder. To continue good filtration, our kidneys require plenty of water each day. If we lose a kidney to a disease or accident, the other kidney is able to take over the function. Many foods are good for renal function. Eat cabbage, cauliflower, grapes and berries, foods that are rich in potassium for good kidney health. To detox your kidneys, try a detox tea or brown seaweed has been found to have beneficial effects in detoxifying your pancreas and kidneys. Lymph system. If you are feeling sick and tired, your lymphatic system may have slowed down. The lymph system carries the white blood cells that fight infection. We need to revitalize our lymphatic system with a good healthy diet and some daily exercise, as it helps your entire body by preventing dehydration. The pancreas. Our pancreas is another important organ, as the islets of Langerhans contained in the pancreas produce insulin and regulates glucose metabolism. If the pancreas fails, we develop type 1 diabetes. If we eat too much food and become insulin resistant, we develop type 2 diabetes. So, diet is everything in keeping our pancreas healthy, and detox will help on a regular basis. It is never good to eat too much fatty foods or carbohydrate-laden foods. Include some anti-inflammatory foods like pineapple, turmeric, and leafy green vegetables in your diet to aid the detoxification process. The intestines. If the quality of the food that is passing through our intestines is poor, it causes weight gain and constipation. It is important to eat foods high in fiber and drink lots of water to stay well. A probiotic may be required to normalize bacteria in the gut. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.